If you update it to the watchOS 27 and you want to use the improved heart rate or blood pressure monitor on your Apple Watch, here's how you can set up and use this feature. So first you're going to set it up and then we're going to show you how to use it. So press on the watch crown, open settings. From there, keep scrolling down all the way and enter this tiny red heart option. So in here, first of all, you need to enter the cardio fitness notification and turn it on. So Apple Watch will let you know during exercise if your heart rate goes higher or lower. Right after that, just go back and enter high heart rate notification. And here, what you gotta do is just set the BPM threshold depending what is your current heart condition, and you'll consider that as a high blood pressure. Now go back one step and also you can set the low heart rate notification by selecting the minimum blood pressure according to your health condition. Don't worry what I'm showing on the screen for a tutorial. It varies person to person. Okay, you're all set. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. To measure your heart rate or blood pressure, make sure to wear the watch a little over the wrist joints. And make sure to not wear it too tight or too loose. To start measuring, you can press on your crown. Now, since I've just used it, it's showing up on the dynamic app view. So either press on this heart icon or just open the classic app view and look for this heart icon. And it'll start measuring your BPM. And in a moment, it'll display the results on your watch screen. And apart from that, you can also scroll down from here and you can see relevant results and your previous data in here. Now, apart from that, if you grab your synced iPhone, and then let's open the Health app, go to the Browse section. From here, select the Heart option. And you can also see the data from here as well, if it's more comfortable for you to see the results from here. Now, since I've just set it up, there is still no data available in the high or low heart rate or cardio fitness yet. But once you start using it regularly, it'll start saving your BPM data that you will find it here as well, along with all the other data in here. And that's how you can set up the improved heart rate on your watchOS 27. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks for your time.